Family, how y'all doing? We got a special treat for y'all today.
Oh yeah.
My guy, what you got today, Tony?
Kids got me a
What they get you?
little gift for my birthday. I turned 60.
Shoot.
Handsome 60.
Yeah, young man.
And,
He's a young man.
So, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, what I had to do. I got to call guys doing things. They going to help hook me up.
Yes, sir.
We're going to do a how to do thing over here. Got Trey over here, Big Woo. He going to hook us up.
Yes, sir. We're going to get him set up so he can talk to us. So he ain't got to point at the gas tank.
Yeah,
and let us
it's
know.
hard to point when they're 100 miles in front of you.
No, but stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Today we're going to be installing the 60S, the new version, top of the line version that I got. But no, seriously, we're going to install this on Tommy modular helmet, So,
Expensive ass.
hey, I wasn't gonna say that, but first we're gonna get the cheek pads so we can run all the wires to the helmet.
All right, now we can see what's going on.
So I pull your liner out, which is fairly easy. You didn't have the whole old school like mine, but so snap the. Come on out of here. So we're gonna. All right.
It's like it's a fight.
Right. Well, I can't afford to be buying you another helmet, so
Yeah.
I'm taking my time. Just the old Mississippi grips I've been in.
Yeah, 2.0. If you guys follow, y'all know what that means.
Oh shit! All right, got those out. So since you have for your visor, this helmet has a shades, or if you want to keep your modular up, so we're gonna have to mount it back here a little bit.
Understand?
It was a little tough, but we got it because of where he opened his shield here. We had to come back a little further than I wanted to, but it's on there, as you see.
Oh, yeah.
We good now. So now, what's wonderful about Harley, they have the cutout for you already.
Yeah, that's nice.
So you don't have to try to find a slot.
Right, you paid for that.
3, 8. Yeah. That really they good. So Harman Kardon speakers here. We're gonna install those. You're gonna have one long side and one short side. Your short side is gonna be closer to the headset, so it ain't got to travel so far. Where we at? Go to the headset. And to be able to tuck them, you want the wire going to the back of the helmet. Yeah, they're right there. Oh, nice. And pretty. Here's your other one, same way. Have the wires going to the back, make it easy to tuck and hide your wires. Just like that. All right, cool. Now we will put his earpieces and stuff back. What you want to do is get your back in the hose. Snap them first. Hey, you want it?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Now, if you see, cheers up. All right. Nice and clean.
It's good.
No wires showing. Keep them. So here's. It's got a little safety feature on it. It plugs in this way and then slide. It's got the safety feature. It's already on there. Yep. Yep, all the way on there. And boom, she's installed. We're gonna run this under here where it'll be right by his mouth. So as of now, we'll leave it out. Now, as we showed you, we got the helmet all mounted, where you can see right there.
Nice and clean in there.
Yeah.
No wires.
Yes,
Who
sir.
did a great job, like always.
I'm still learning, just like the rest of it. But we just showed you guys you can do a lot of this stuff yourself. So now what we're gonna do, we got a little ahead of ourselves. We downloaded the app already, which you have to download. Sena motorcycle app. To turn this on, you got your phone button and your jog. Turn it on. Let's see. All right, we'll take it back. So now we're gonna pair with the app. Settings. Turn your Bluetooth on. You're gonna try to find it.
There it is.
There it is.
All right.
Click on Sena.
Your headset is paired.
Yeah, it's paired. Just that quick.
There it is right
It's
there.
paired. All right. Now let's go back to the app. All right. Let's get started. Yep. Ready to go. Hit user guide. Yeah, it's got the user guide within the app, so we don't need that. We want to go make sure the firmware is up to date.
Update.
Yep.
Update firmware.
Yep. It's update. You hit the update. Yep.
There we go.
There we go. Complete. All right. It's up to date. Latest version. Hit OK. So now let's test your music, Tony.
All right.
I don't know what you're listening to, but yeah, plays in the background. But as you see, he got his phone Bluetooth to it,
Nice.
and I don't know, well, you ain't got no directions going, but he would also get his directions and everything else to play through his helmet instead of blasting his speakers down the highway, which is a lot of stress on your sound system when you're taking long road trips. But now he'll get it between his helmet, everything, and
Most
he can hear us.
important, I can talk to
Yes.
guys doing things.
Now we're gonna pair it with my helmet. That way we can talk back and forth to one another and take. Also, in a group ride, like we were saying at the beginning, it's nice to know, hey man, I need to pull over, tire low, I'm out of gas, something wrong with my bike, we going through New York or whatever. we can talk to one another if we get lost or get car in between us or something, you know. So right now, let's pair them. His is already on. I just need to turn mine's on. Hold that time. All right. So in order to pair them, I'm gonna press the toggle button in. It's in pairing. Now, hold Tommy's down.
Intercom pairing.
Now they paired. Right. Now we got the helmets on. Now I'm gonna try calling Tommy through the intercom system. You guys probably won't hear it because of, you know, the speakers are in our helmets, so y'all probably won't hear us talking, but just hit the side button. It's gonna call Tommy. All right. Can you hear me, Tommy?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yep. So we all connected. All we gotta do is connect Droop now, so we all good. See?
Yes, sir. It's nice.
All right.